Welcome to the tutorial series for Turbo Apps. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to incorporate a smart data component into your forms, enabling an online inventory check for chosen equipment. We'll modify the existing computer inspection form to achieve this functionality. Form design. Click on the inspection form from the Forms list to display the form designer. Alternatively, you can copy the inspection form and make the changes below. From Turbo Premium, drag and drop smart data to the form. Note that the position in the form does not matter, as it will never be displayed to the user. Open the Edit tab, change the label to Inventory Checker, and click the key icon to update the API key. Click on the API tab and confirm the API property is set to Inspection Checker. Now, we need to create a new workflow to handle this inventory check requirement. Click on the plus button next to the Workflow dropdown. Choose the Smart Data Flow option. Set the title to Query Inventory and description as Queries the Equipment Inventory. Click on Save to create the flow. From the dropdown, select the Query Inventory workflow. Click on Save and close the tab. From Layout, drag and drop columns below the equipment component. In Column Properties, confirm that the width is 8 for each column. From Basic, drag and drop the text field component into the first column below the equipment component. Open the Edit tab, change label to Inventory, and click the icon to set the API key. Scroll down and select the disabled field, as we do not want to allow the user to enter any data here. Click on API and confirm that the API name is Inventory. Click on Save and close the tab. From Basic, drag and drop the button component into the second column below the equipment component next to the inventory component. Open the Edit tab, change label to Check Inventory, and click the icon to set the API key. Change action to Smart Data component. Under the Smart Data component, select the inventory checker that we just created above. We are instructing the form to invoke the Inventory Checker SDC when clicking the button. You can also select the Block Button option if you want the button to span the width of the column. Click on Save and close the tab. We are now done with the Smart Data form design. Publish the form. Click the Publish button. Enter a comment describing the changes made and publish the form. We'll connect this Smart Data component to the Smart Data Flow in a subsequent video to handle the inventory check functionality. This concludes our tutorial on designing smart data forms in Turbo Apps. In the next video, we'll explore creating the smart data flow that interacts with this form to perform the inventory check. Thank you for watching.